This is property at Olaogun. This is the land that is here available for building. I see this land is more than one plot. Let me show the building box quarter that is there. Two bedroom and city room, with much more land. This is the land. This is shore, the lake outside. You have palm tree, you have orange, you have plantain, you have all sorts of fruits here. Okay, let me just show this from the gate. This is the land. This coconut already producing. Let me go outside to show. This is the area, Olaogun. This is the road that leads to it. Round breadth. This is the house. So it's for sale. For sale.